Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to add friends on Spotify. So, to do this, first thing is you can just simply open up the Spotify application into your device. Now, here on this Spotify, you can just simply use the feature search at the bottom left corner of the screen. So, here on the search, you will have the search bar at the top. What do you want to listen to? So from here, just simply go ahead and search for a specific profile name. So you have to ask your friend what is their name on Spotify. So from here, you can just simply search for their name. So you have to ask your friend what is their name in order for you to proceed with this process. And now here at the top, you should be able to see songs, artists, playlists, albums, and now to filter it out, we just simply select profiles over here. So now you should be able to see all of the keywords that you search in the search bar, and you can just simply go ahead and tap on your friend if you see their profile. And from here, you should be able to follow them. And pretty much, this is a Spotify way in order for you to follow each other. And pretty much, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.